So, alarm clock. The way you say alarm clock in Russian is будильник, будильник, будильник. Shit, I hate my alarm clock sometimes. Я никогда ненавижу свой будильник. Oh, I'm sorry, it's я иногда ненавижу свой будильник, which means I sometimes hate my alarm clock. There you go, guys. So let's go through that one more time, and if it helps, you can repeat after me. So, alarm clock. Будильник, будильник, будильник. Now you know how to say alarm clock. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, requests, do drop a comment below. And I'll see you next time.